In this video, we'll be replacing the rear wiper blade on this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be the same process with a first generation from 2007 through 2015. So to replace your wiper blade, you're going to need to get in behind here and press your tab on the arm forward. If you need to raise your arm to get into there and press that tab, what you're going to need to do is remove your cover on the back here. That'll allow you to raise your arm to almost 90 degrees. So you're going to pull your cover 2 tabs in. I need to pull those out. Pull up and away to remove your cover. Then you can lift your arm. And the tabs that we're looking to get are right in here. So coming in from the wiper side, there's a little notch that you need to get out from underneath that tab right here. So we just came in, I'll do it again. Came in from the wiper side on the underside. A little flat blade screwdriver between the arm and the blade, and pull your blade away or off of that tab. And then you can rotate your blade off of your arm. So here's that tab. And it was hitting right up against here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up our arm. We're going to take our new blade, and you'll notice that there is a cutout on the blade. It's going to match the arm. So we're going to take our blade, we're going to take the pole of the blade and put it into the cutout here. Push in until it clicks in, and then we're going to rotate the blade down or into the arm until it clicks this tab into position. From there, we should be able to rotate our blade without it coming off. And give it a little tug out, make sure it doesn't come off. Everything's good. We can go ahead and lower our arm and blade, and then we can put our cover on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.